welcome to this video tutorial. This is Amin, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure campaign monitor on your domain for SPF and DKIM. Before we move into the process, I'm going to make a simple note here. Campaign monitor at this moment doesn't support SPF configuration, and therefore you don't need to worry about the SPF configuration since they don't support it and they only provide the DKIM configuration. What they do is they generally use their own default domains to sign your emails, and you don't need to have the SPF configuration already. And as well, DMARC only requires either SPF or DKIM to pass, so it's good to go. So let's start the configuration. First of all, you need to make sure that you are already logged into your campaign monitor dashboard. I'm already logged in, and as you can see, I'm in my overview tab. So click on your name and head into the account settings. The next section is the sending domains that we need to click. Once it's done, you're redirected to your domain section. As you can see, I still have no domains. I'm clicking on the add domain, choose my domain name, and click on continue. In this section, you are facing a section that you need to add a DNS record on your DNS zone. So basically, this DNS record is your DKIM record that you need to add and configure campaign monitor on your domain. So let's do it together. The first thing I'm seeing is my name. I'm copying it, and the next step is logging into my DNS. So please make sure that you are already logged into your DNS zone. I'm already logged into my DNS zone now, which is the Cloudflare, and I'm headed to my DNS record section. In this section, I will click on the add a new record, choose txt, and paste the name I've been given. The next section, I'm seeing a value. I will copy it, paste it. With no change and with no effect, I will leave the TTL on the auto and click on save. Once it's done, I will head back to the campaign monitor and click on the authenticate now. Perfect. As you can see, my DKIM record is now validated. I will click on the close. And now I can see my domain and the status, which is authenticated. So from now, you can easily use your campaign monitor, try to send emails and send your campaigns easily through this dashboard with no issues. Your DKIM is configured, and your DMARC and DMARC for your emails will easily pass since the DKIM is activated and configured. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to leave comments and enjoy the day. Have a good day.